Hello guys! Good afternoon from Portugal. Hola, boa tarde. Mais dia de luta. Vamos jogar e ganhar. I'm making coffee. I have mix of Portugal lottery tickets. Okay, let's start. Vamos comisar with my dancing tripod. Sorry guys, I have no time to buy. I'll buy very soon, okay? Let's try to this tripod will not shake more than usual. Okay? Let's start with 50x. 50x, 50 veces in Portuguese. I have ticket number 13 and 14. 20 euro session. We're looking for 28, 14. Why this tripod is dancing, guys? I don't understand this. Okay, 14. Try not to move so much, guys. 23. 24. 18. Okay? We're looking for that numbers, guys. And they give me 36, no 30s. 39. Oh Lord, what the fuck? What is this? All 30s. 41. Become worse. 24. 24. Ay, winner. Ticket number 13 is a winner. 27. 16. At least is a winner, guys. 35. 44. Okay. 43. 19. 18. Give me one more match. 12. 26. Y 33. Give me all the 30s, guys. 33, 34. Oh, 35, 36. Okay, so but I found a match. 24, 24. 4. Oh, Lord, as expected. 5 euro. Ah, Jesus. Okay, so, but this is a winner. Now, let's go to the next one. We're looking for 21. 37. 29. 31. 16. 43. No 40s. 32. 45. 33. 26. Of course not. 28. 29. 35. 14. I thought I have 14, but the first ticket. 40. 17. 12. Backwards. 22. No. 27. 37. 41 y 11. Oh Lord, so it's not a winner. I got 5 euro win. So let's go to mix of 2 euro tickets. Mistura. Raspadinhas mistura di 2 euro. Okay, Araña de Sorte. We're looking for spider to win the prize shown. A spider web to win 20. If we uncover the symbol cash or notes, it's a win all. Okay. My favorite 2 euro ticket. Let's hope we can find Araña here. My favorite symbol. No? No? No. Okay, so there's no win. Let's go to Joker. Matching numbers. And if we uncover Joker symbol, it's a win all. Joker. We're looking for. It's a winner. 31, 12. What's the 28, 13, 22. 19. This is a winner, guys. 21, 12, 25, 24. 2 matches. 5. Nice. Wow. No. 12 and what's the other number? 12 and what? I thought I found 2 numbers. 12 and 31. Jessica. Only 12. There's no 31. So only €5. Oh yeah, I thought I found 2 matches. I'm dreaming or what? 28, 13, 22. No, 21. This is 31. 12. Okay, so only €5. Oh, Jessica. Okay, so I got €5. Not bad. Now let's go to Presentes de Natal. Matching number game. And if we uncover the symbol Pai Natal or Christmas, Santa Claus head, win all prizes. Looking for 33, 11. Give me 12. 19. In Portuguese números, 29. 18. 13. 13, okay. I need 33 and 11. 20. 24. 23. 25 y 32. So there's no win. Okay, no win here. I have 2 more tickets. Let's hope we can find at least 1 more win. Let's go to this Grande Sorte matching number. And if we uncover the horseshoe, we win. Horseshoe, right? We win. How much? €20 automatically. Horseshoe. No. We're looking for 29. And 14. 21. 18. 26. 15. 25. 13 y 16. Okay, so there's no win. 29, 26, 25. Okay, so not a winner. We have our last hope here. I thought I won €10 because 31. Okay, so how to win? I forgot. I long time I didn't scratch. Three like prices. 3 contis iguais. Okay. 25, 10, 50. 500, 2, even 2, I don't win. Oh, 500, 550, 10. No, 3 like prices, no. 50, 1 more 50. 4, 20. Of course not, it's more here. 20. No. Jump here. 2, 10, 20, 4 Palmarete, 5, 4. 10, 10, 10. No. Last one. 50. 50. One more 50. Ay, Jesus. 5. Okay, so not a winner. So I have only €5 win in a €2 ticket. The Joker. A lot of donations here. Okay, so this is not the winner with W and A. I guess I didn't scratch completely here. Okay, but it's not a winner, of course. Even I scratch completely, it's still not a winner. Okay, so this is not a winner. Okay, so I thought I won €10. This one I thought I won €10, but 20 ohm, 30 ohm, 12, 5. May 5. 5 may 5. Dash, okay? So I won €10, guys. Okay, bye. Have a nice day. Ciao. Thank you for watching. Obrigada a todos. Ciao.